Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can we recover our Snap score or Snapchat account here on my mobile phone. How can I recover my lost Snapchat account or lost Snapchat ID? So this trick is quite easier. You can just follow as I'm doing it right now on my mobile phone. So what I have to do, I will open my Snapchat here. Let me just open it. You cannot reset your password without your phone number or email, but we will try today in this video that how can we recover without phone number or without email also. What I have to do, firstly I will log out of all my accounts here. Let me just log out of this and I will try to log in into a new account and I don't remember that account's password. Click on the switch account and what you have to do, there is an option called forgot password on the bottom of screen. Click on that option here and you will see the two menu or the two options from this, like first is via phone or the second is via email. What if you don't have any of two? So you just have to do one thing. Click on the Google Chrome and find for Snapchat support and Snapchat email support. What you have to do, you just have to recover two of the things, like if you can recover your mobile phone then you can do it. If you can recover your mail ID then you can also do it. So better is you just have to reset your mail ID and find password for that mail ID in your phone, and then we will come on to the Snapchat here. Click on via email option. It will demand for your mail ID and then you can accordingly reset your password. The trick is you just have to go on the Twitter tag Snapchat service and note your issue there. You can complain there, or also you can contact to the mail support on your Snapchat application. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you.